That's a girl. All right, look at the two of you. Yeah. You's my girl, Mommy. You's my girl. You my man, Jay. You my little woman, you my little man. You two be nice. No, she don't want you sniffing her butt. Right? Right, Mai? Yeah. You guys are too cute. A basset. A basset and a beagle. You two are so close and related, it's disgusting. Oh, stop. I know he's being a party pooper. Is he being a party pooper? Yeah. Yeah?
Ooh, he's going poking.
You teasing. You two just better not fight with me on here.
Ooh. You messed up, big boy.
What did you tell him? What is she saying? Huh? What is she saying to you, G? She's telling you he's being a party pooper. She's telling you you're being a party pooper. You pooping the potty? Huh? Are you pooping the party? Huh?
You said potty, not party before. It's okay, Monday. Do what they do in cartoons, give him a kiss on the cheek, Maya.
She's like, so, what you want to do? She's like, I don't know. What you want to do? I don't know. Let's not start that again. Are you videotaping?
Uh-huh.
Miss Maya. Oh, you're such a little man. You're so
She's like, well, who's the little woman? Oh, you want?
Maya, don't be sticking your ass in his face.
Yeah, no butt showing off.
You're a bold little kid.
Well, yeah, since you're her mother, she, you know. I'm not gonna finish that.
Look at you two. Look at you two. Oh my goodness, you're so cute together. You're so cute together. You're both good.
Oh no.
You guys are so cute. You're so cute. I can't stand it.
Why are you sniffing her armpit? He's sniffing her armpit. What, does it smell like? Freshy goodness? Poor mom, she has to suffer.
Look at you two. Oh my goodness.